Welcome! Today, we are diving into a really critical concept that could absolutely save your next automation project from a catastrophic and totally silent failure. So I want you to stop and really ask yourself this. Are you unknowingly building a self-destruct timer right into your own code? Because a lot of developers are. And here's the kicker. It only goes off when the script is live, in production, handling real-world data. And the result? Well, it's angry users, it's failed processes, and yeah, those dreaded one-star reviews. Now, this whole insight comes from some exclusive pre-release material from the book Boring Problems, Big Money. So a huge thank you to the author, the ex-freelancer, for letting us get this early sneak peek. Okay, so let's get into the trap itself. You have to understand, this isn't just some bug you can patch. It's a deep, structural flaw that catches so many developers completely by surprise. It's what turns a project that worked perfectly in testing into an absolute disaster at scale. This review, it just says it all, doesn't it? But the most important word here is silently. The user's sync didn't just fail with an error message, it just vanished. No warning, nothing. I mean, that is a complete betrayal of user trust, and it leads to these very public, very painful failures.
So what is this hidden timer? Well, this problem actually has a name. And for anyone who's ever run into this, this is that aha moment where it all clicks. It's called the 6-minute wall.
The key phrase here, the one you really need to hear, is non-negotiable platform constraint. See, the 6-minute wall isn't a bug in your code. It's a hard limit built right into the Google Apps Script platform. It's there to stop runaway scripts from crashing their servers. You can't argue with it. You can't code around it. It's just a rule. 6 minutes. That's it. After exactly 6 minutes of running, Google's servers will kill your script. It doesn't care if you're in the middle of a critical database write. It doesn't care about anything. The process is just terminated. Stone. Dead. That is the wall.
So how in the world do so many projects end up slamming right into this wall? Let's do a little postmortem here and break down exactly how the typical approach leads directly to failure.
Over on the left, you've got the freelancer's trap. It's so simple, right? A single loop to process 10,000 rows. And yeah, it works fine on 100 test rows. But at scale, it's just one long continuous task that is absolutely guaranteed to time out. It's a structural failure waiting to happen. But on the right, that's the architect's engine. You break that huge job into a series of short, controlled tasks. That's not just a fix, that's structural resilience. Okay, now for the good part, the solution. The professional way to handle this is something the book calls the architect's relay race. It's this beautiful, elegant pattern, technically it's known as trigger chaining, that lets your script basically run forever without ever even getting close to that wall. So here's how it works. Your script processes a small, safe batch of work, something it can definitely finish in, say, 2 or 3 minutes. Then, and this is the magic part, it saves its place. It remembers where it left off. Then it creates a trigger to wake itself up again in 1 minute, and then it gracefully shuts down. It's like setting an alarm clock. The first run finishes, a minute goes by, and ding! The alarm goes off, and a brand new script run starts right where the last one stopped. You're literally passing a baton to yourself in a relay race, which means you can process an infinite amount of data, one small leg at a time.
And that really brings us to the big takeaway. This isn't just about a clever coding trick. It's a fundamental shift in your mindset. You have to stop writing fragile, single-use scripts that are basically designed to fail. It's time to start thinking like an architect and building resilient, scalable engines that are designed for the real world. That, my friends, is how you build things that actually last.